Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. This video is all about how to make shorts look more chic. But before I get started, I just want to say if you're enjoying my videos, I would love it if you hit subscribe. That would just mean so much to me, or give me a thumbs up, or leave a comment. I love how great YouTubers are at leaving comments. It's kind of fun. Anyway, so yes, all about shorts. I have had kind of a big shift in how I view and how much I do or don't like shorts in the last couple years. I would say like maybe 3 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, I kind of did a 180. I went from like never buying shorts and never wearing shorts, kind of hating shorts, to suddenly being like way into shorts. One of the reasons why I've come to love shorts so much over like dresses in the summer is that you can do so much with shorts. Shorts are just super versatile. So for example, like a dress, you kind of can only wear a dress a few ways, but shorts you can mix and match, just like jeans and shirts. And shorts, I also really like them because they kind of lend a more like a less feminine vibe to an outfit. So instead of feeling like dresses just kind of feel girly almost no matter how you style them, or shorts can feel, you can mix and match. You can have like a girly blouse and like shorts kind of like tone it down. And so that's another reason why I love wearing shorts. So luckily, in the last couple of years, short styling has got even better and even more fun. A big shift that I've seen in shorts is like the silhouette and the shape of them. And I'll get into that in a minute when I get into my tips on how to how to make your shorts outfits more chic. But you know, we've sort of departed from these itty bitty shorts and short shorts to a more high waist, voluminous, pleated, long trouser short look, and it just looks so awesome. I think it looks so fresh. I think it's really comfortable. Like it's like so practical, and it feels great to wear. So that's like my favorite way to wear shorts right now. Okay, I just got ahead of myself. So let's get started. Let's get to the tips. My number one tip for making your shorts outfits look more chic is go for a longer hemline. So as I was just saying, we've kind of come away from wearing short fitted shorts to embracing a looser, more modern silhouette. Kind of like think about the shorts that maybe your mom wore when you were a kid, like the kind of large and in charge shorts. Those just look so sophisticated, especially if you add like a blouse or a fitted ribbed top or a fitted tank top or a belt. It just is such a fresh look. It looks so good and it feels so comfortable in the heat. So I'm a big fan of wearing shorts. So if you want to make your outfits look more modern or more fresh or more less dated, when you're picking shorts, when you're shopping for shorts, look for shorts that have a higher rise and a kind of a big full leg. You want them kind of flowing away from your leg. Makes your legs look smaller, and it creates airflow, and it also creates like a nice like A-line shape. The thing I love about these kinds of shorts is that you can still find them in the thrift stores. They're not like all snatched up yet. But there's also a few other brands that are starting to make them now. Aritzia has a bunch of them, although you have to check the tags closely on those because sometimes they're dry clean only, and for me that's a deal breaker on shorts. I have a few pairs that I got from Madewell this summer, and they're linen, and I love them. I'm like wearing them all the time. They're like a high waist, they have pleats, they're long, and they just look so great with almost anything I pair with them. My second tip for elevating your shorts outfits is to go monochrome. So I'm talking like black on black or white on white, or you know, I love all the neutrals, cream on cream, or even just like slightly off monochrome, like white and oatmeal. It just creates a real chic and cohesive look. And if you're into colors, like you could even do that with like bold colors. You could go like cobalt on cobalt, or lavender and lavender. I just think that it's almost like creates like a faux jumpsuit, and it just is a very streamlined look. And then you can kind of go wild with accessories if you want to, or go minimalist if you want. But either way, the end result is often a very what's the word I'm looking for? Intentional. It gives you like an intentional look to your outfit, as opposed to like, oh, I just woke up and reached for these shorts and shirts because it's hot. My third tip for how to make your shorts outfits look more chic is to elevate the top. So I'm talking, go for a blouse, go for a shirt with a flutter sleeve, go for anything that adds a little more interest beyond like a t-shirt or a tank top. So, I mean, those things look great too with shorts. I'm not saying don't, but if you're wanting to add some variety to your summer outfit or make it look more intentional or more chic, I would pull from your blouses, even pull from like your spring blouses with long sleeves. Those long sleeves with shorts always look so good in my opinion. So go for a blouse, a floral blouse, a loose blouse, a big blouse, tuck it into your shorts and it will almost never let you down. Another way that you can do it too is to go for color. I recently picked up a neon button-up shirt from a thrift shop, and I think it just adds so much to my shorts outfits because it's like a pop of big bright colors. Something I don't normally wear, but just sort of sprinkle in every once in a while keeps things really interesting. I also added a couple of mock neck crop tops, say that 3 times fast, to my summer wardrobe. So I have these tops that the mock neck comes up kind of high and the top is kind of short, and they look so cute with shorts. They even look really great with my jean shorts because the shirt's a little more of like an elevated shirt. It takes the shorts and doesn't make them super casual. It makes them way less casual. I would say, I guess now thinking about it, that's kind of what this video is about. And I think it's a reason why I avoided shorts for so long is because they just felt so casual. I couldn't figure out how to wear shorts without feeling like a kid. And so I feel like after a couple of years of digging into it, I definitely I'm more confident in styling my shorts outfits. All right, my last tip for making your shorts outfits look more chic is to consider your shoes. So go for smart sandals or even mules if it's not too hot. I personally have hot feet, so I don't wear anything. Usually in the summer I only wear sandals, but if you don't have hot feet, wear some leather mules. Those will always make your shorts look good. Wear some sneakers, like some chic sneakers, like minimalist sneakers. I actually did recently get a pair of canvas platform sneakers from Everlane, and I'm surprised at how comfortable they are and how they're not super hot because they're canvas. So I've been wearing those more and more with my shorts just to kind of give it a change up. But the real deal changer for me this spring was buying a pair of sandals from Frida Salvador. They're the dad sandal, sort of like a Chanel knockoff, but I'm not in the market for Chanel sandals. But I can really appreciate the influence of the Chanel sandal on the sandal market because there's so many cool dad styles. And Frida Salvador made a beautiful pair that's like croc, like a mock croc top, but it's leather and it's patterned and it's got buckles, so it's still casual, but it still says I'm sophisticated. It's a great sandal, but that great sandal makes almost all of my shorts outfits look good. So those are my short styling tips in a nutshell. If you're shopping for shorts anytime soon, just keep things in mind. Keep the fit. I would say fit is probably the number one thing. Look for shorts that are probably bigger and more flowy than you're used to wearing. Look for pleats, look for long hemlines, look for breathable fabrics. When your clothes are breathable, you're going to wear them more and you're going to feel better in them, and they are going to make you feel more stylish, hands down, when you feel better in your clothes. So yeah, there's so many great options now out there. And if you are a sucker for denim shorts, which I totally am, try a pair in a darker wash. I got a pair that's kind of a mid to darker wash earlier in the spring, and I've been wearing them over and over, and it's a totally different look than my faded out denim shorts, which I also still really love. But just putting that on your radar if you want to mix things up or try things different, or just keep trying to up your shorts outfits game. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down below. And I'm so glad you're here and I'm so glad you watched us. Bye.